All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Mr. Muscarella coming at you. And in this video, we're going to take a look at finding the discriminant and describing the number and type of solutions, which in this case, we'll be looking at two real solutions. Now remember, there's going to be the discriminant. In order to find the discriminant, you're going to have to use the piece of the quadratic formula where you have b squared minus 4ac. You're going to compare that to 0. And then depending on its value, you will either have two imaginary solutions, one real solution, or two real solutions. But remember, anytime we're working with a problem, you've got to make sure that you write that problem in standard form. So this problem right here, 7x, the negative 7x plus 4, we've got to move both of those to the other side in order to get it into standard form. So here we go. Now when we move the negative 7x over, that becomes positive 7x. So I have 2x squared plus 7x. And then when we move the 4 over, that's going to be, we're going to subtract 4. So that would give us minus 4 and then equals 0. So now that we have our equation in standard form, we can identify the values for a, b, and c. Now these values, a is going to be 2, b is going to be 7, and c is going to be negative 4. So now that we know the values of a, b, and c, we're going to take those values and plug them into the formula b squared minus 4ac and compare that to 0. So the b is 7, so we'll plug 7 in for b and we'll square that minus 4, and then the a value is 2. And the c value is negative 4. Negative 4. So 7 squared, we get 49. Now 4 times 2 times negative 4, so we have a negative right here and another negative right here. So the product of those three is going to be something positive. 4 times 2 is 8 times 4 gives us 32. When you add 49 and 32, you get a sum of 81. And 81, of course, is positive, which is greater than 0. So we're going to have two real solutions. So we identify the discriminant as 81, and then we state that we have two real solutions. Now in example 2, we're going to take a look at the quadratic 5x squared plus 3 equals 8x. And again, make sure you put the equation in standard form. After you do that, determine the value of the discriminant, what it is, as well as the number and type of solutions. Go ahead and hit pause, and then do that and come back and see how you did. So how did you do? Hopefully, you got a value of 5, b value of negative 8, a c value of 3, and when you plug that into the discriminant formula, you end up with a value of 4, which is positive, which means you're going to have two real solutions. All right, that's it for this video. By now, you should be able to find the value of a discriminant and determine whether that value gives you two real solutions, two imaginary solutions, or one real solution. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day. Peace out.